Train on platform 4 is a MacArthur service. Train on platform 2 is a City via Granville. M11. Looks to be a M30 something, but it is, the target plate is covered up, unfortunately. A41 now departing. Next up is Macquarie Fields and all stations to MacArthur. Train on platform 4 is a Campbelltown service, stopping all stations. A19.
Be Kid Smart. Stay hydrated. If you don't feel well, don't lose or travel. Staff will assist you here at the station. Thank you.
And Explorer service to Train on platform 3 is a Museum via Granville service. Stopping first stop Casilla Liverpool, then all stations to Granville, and then on to the city. A31 is the set. It has just terminated and will be departing in 6 minutes. Campbelltown service stopping all stations, A51 now departing. Liverpool train due on platform 2 very shortly. It is a 4-car service from Leppington. As you can see, it is coming in the distance. We're expecting the arrival of a MacArthur train from the East Hills line very shortly. And it is M6. Four cars only. And there is a Town Hall via Airport service on platform 1, first up Holsworthy, and that is A38. And on platform 4 we have A25 MacArthur service, first up Macquarie Fields and all stations to MacArthur.
First stop Edmondson Park, and then Leppington.
And we have a very special train. It is M35, the largest targeted M set